welcome to my YouTube video. In this video I'm going to demonstrate how to start a cable mid-fabric using Make 1 increases sequentially. This is in association with a cable pillow tutorial that I have on Ravelry. This is one of the squares that's involved in that, actually two of the squares, one color and two color. And the area we're talking about is right here where you have the stockinette. You go from reverse stockinette straight up into cables, and you need to add groups of stitches at the base of the cables to make it look like the cable just evolves out of the fabric. This is the same thing. So this is where we're making the make ones right here. A make one left and a make one right. There's a make one over on this side and this side. So we needed to add 4 stitches in there and do it in pattern. This is how it looks on the chart. We have a make one, which doesn't have to be directional, knit one, a left make one, a make one left, a make one right, right next to each other in the same bar, then a knit one and another make one. So you have this cable just evolving out of the reverse stockinette. I've got some reverse stockinettes here on my needle, and I'm going to add 4 stitches right in the middle. I have 10 stitches on here. This is just for this particular cable. This is not how you do every cable that is started out of reverse stockinette. This is this particular example, but you can learn from this. So we're going to make a make one right here. Let's get this big so you can see it. This is the one that will be right here, and it actually doesn't matter whether it's a right or left. It doesn't add to the fabric or detract from it. In fact, it's going to be so tight in here that you won't be able to tell the direction of it, so you can work it however you want. I'm going to lift it up so that the bar is pointing to the right, and I'm going to purl it through the back. Then I'm going to knit the next stitch, knit. Then I'm going to make a make one left. That means when I lift the bar up onto the left needle, it's pointing to the left. And I'm going to knit into the back of it because we want to make a new knit stitch. Then in the same bar, I'm lifting it up so it's pointing to the right. This is a make one right. I have attached videos up here specifically on working the make ones, and you knit into the front of it. It's going to be very, very tight at this point because you're making 2 new stitches in the same bar. Very tight. Then knit one, and we'll make another make one purlwise right here, and we're just going to purl into this, into the front. Doesn't matter whether it's right or left, and purl to the end of the row for the reverse stockinette. Then I'm going to turn and work back. I'll work a few rows in the cable pattern, and I'll show you how it looks. So hold on. Here is the work after working the next wrong side row. So here is the first make one purlwise. Here's the knit one. This is the make one left, the make one right, knit one, make one purlwise. So we've added 4 stitches. We now have 14 stitches, and this is the base of our new cable. Let me work a couple more rows and you'll see what it looks like. Okay, I've worked 2 more rows, and we can see our rapid increase right here. And that's the base of the cable. So we have a make one. Let me get my pointer here. There's a make one purlwise right here, the knit one from the top of the purl stitch, a make one left, a make one right, knit one, and a make one purlwise. So we added the 4 stitches, and that's the base of the cable. If you like my videos, be sure to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, share them with your friends. There'll be a link to the cable tutorial down underneath the video in the description, and I hope you come back and watch more.